prime za roko in ti reče, ja, zdaj pa lahko. Kaj pa lahko? Tudi tornado dre zidove in dež topi jeklene robove. Pride še enkrat, zadnjič. Pride, pa te ne prime za roko, samo reče, zdaj pa pojdi pa skoči. A kar od tu. Ja, kar od tu. Jaz pa sploh ne vem, kam moram skočiti. letića pobratila do dva sokola. Posred boja, posred mila, posred pokolja, krilima se zagrlila pobratima dva. U boj lete rane ljute, hrana im je In pa naenkrat snežno bela pokrajina.
Oh, I can.
So now the worst part of the evening, the award ceremony. So we're gonna start with... Say something.
Whatever. Okay, first we, as you know, we each year invite Matjaž Šparić, artistic director from Fronta Festival, International Festival of Contemporary Dance, to invite some short dance pieces to his festival. Because of some family issues, he had to leave, but he told me who is invited on his festival. So more about, I will give him contact and you will learn more about what actually the festival offers. They pay you a bit, they offer you accommodation and maybe even travel expenses. This I'm not sure, but we will discuss about this. But for each of you, we brought some sweets. Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So the first piece that he invited is
from Group B, Lia Lachen, The Earth. Next one. Petja in Varja Golec Horvat. Jose Garrido, discipline. Guria Podlisny. Now the C group. Tea Mudrian, wisdom of the body. Bartlomiej Mieszczak and Nicole Wesolowska. Dor Nahum, 826. Daniele Lamensdorf, Stagnum Stillwater. Anna Svilfar, and Lindsay Ann, Arabesque.
Matias also asked me to tell it's a great festival. I can say I'm always there. It's lots of things going on, lots of great dance companies performing, like Inader, Liquid Love. There are some dance classes, lots of parties, and it's good thing to be there and end summer. Okay, I hope to see you all there. Yeah. Now we will give the award that is selected by a jury of peers. So it means that there are three young people who don't dance, but they are somehow connected to art. So they are sensitive people and also do some art.
Yes.
Maybe music or visual art or photography or something like this. And the award that they give is they give €100 for our program Summer Dance School that you maybe already seen the
Leaflets.
So that's the award in each age group. So in the group B, the award goes to
Leah Lachen, The Earth.
Group C. Oh, we said we will invite them on stage. I'm so sorry.
Oh, come on, show yourself. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
all of you to know that all of you are winners here. So give yourself another round of applause. You're awesome. Today in the C group there is one super winner.
And this is?
Are you gonna try to read it?
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, you know how I feel.
I feel your pain. So, the winners in the C group are Bartolomei Meyshak and Nicole Veselovska.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Then we have another award which is kind of a privilege for Slovenian dancers because we started an exchange with Israel and they are having like a kind of opus but it's called Bria Creation in Israel. They started last year, so they have kind of national selection for opus and Irad Avni, he came here from Israel. He had to choose one Slovenian dance piece that he would like to invite to Israel, and maybe you can also talk with him. Maybe he will invite somebody else.
So I really enjoyed. I saw twice the B group and twice the C group, and I really enjoyed. I choose Anna Sveta. will perform with her solo in the International Dance Week of Israel.
Okay, now we can invite our professional jury. Not production award is the last. Petra Kačanes, Alicia Obadis, and Milan Tomasic. So we will start. Do you want to say something, or you will say for each?
We talked so much today between us. We just wanted to actually say that we watched many different performances, many different creative minds, and it was very hard to pick one or two or three from all the things that you've done. And we are just super. Maybe one thing we wanted to say is it's very nice how you are opening space for yourself to develop and create something that is super individual and not something that somebody would like to see, but that you have time and space to really go for something new for yourself. This is
Okay, then maybe we do now this part. And first, we will give the award for the best dancer, best dance performance.
Best.
Yeah, it's best dance. But it is divided, right? Yeah. prize will be divided on two, and it goes to who should you?
I can go and sit there.
I will try because Slovenian is very hard for me, given the names, but this goes for Burja. Lia Lacha.
And the next award is for the best concept, the best idea. Yeah.
In category.
In category B, yes.
Goes to Tinkara.
And the best piece, it means the best dancer and the best idea, something like this.
All combined together, it's the best piece. Yeah.
Silence. From far away, Jose Garrido.
So
Group C.
the best dancer in group C,
Lince Anna.
the best concept in group C,
Goes to Thea Modrian.
and the best piece,
Noemi.
Thank you.
now we have one more award, production award. It was very hard decision to make, so Natasha and Aya, do you want to come on stage? Natasha wants to say a bit about this performance. Yes.
It was difficult. So the production award is the award you get for your project, so for your longer performance. So from 5 minutes you get to the half an hour performance. So it's a concept of getting into your choreographic language, opportunity for you as a performer, as a choreographer, and this time for yourself. So we give opportunity to have studio for 3 months, from 5 to 6 or 7 hours per day, as much as you want. We give opportunity as 1,000 euro for production costs. This year we provided you 1 month of apartment. We also managed to do that, so it's wow, we are very happy to also develop in this way. You have also mentors, beautiful mentors, really great person. This is Nina and friendship in Slovenia is really very fluid. So the next thing is that you prepare the workshop on the topics you are working on the process, on the working process. So you can, like around 6 months, 6 weeks before premiere, you just experiment with the subtle ideas and things that you are actually working on, and you can maybe find some better or best or chooses solutions. So when you perform the premiere in this space, as we have to say thank you for your performance, Karen, tonight. It was very touching. When you survive the premiere, then usually the production award is also taking care of you in a way of post-production somehow, like inviting you on the premiere in Ljubljana, which is produced by Intact Dance Studio, that is on big stage in Španski Dvorci. Sometimes before, sometimes later, you are also usually invited if the producers like you, but that's the way it is. But usually you really work very well with the Maribor. I will have to spell it right. So it's the first thing, it will be Platforma of Contemporary Dance 2020, which Mojca Kasiak is a director. And it can happen also that we have really nice collaboration with Sasha Loncher and Kaleidoscope. She's somewhere there, right, Sasha? So it's all about the piece, of course, what is the context and how it, like, you know, how it suits into their program. But we are really working on post-production somehow better and better. And I think you get also like video and audio photographies. So you can post-production is provided. So the next step is to say who is the nominated or who got the award. So about that, Nina will tell a little bit more, because first time after 7 years it happened that we had really difficulties to decide, and we decided it a little bit different than each year. So please, Nina, can you explain?
Yeah, you just remind me. You will also get all photos and videos of this event, this show. So yeah, we really couldn't bring up the decision. It's hard to make this decision because we maybe like the piece, but what it's going to be the next stage. It's hard sometimes to read from what you did. So it was really hard to come out with a decision who we want to give the prize. That's why after 7 years, for first time, we decided that we will nominate 3 authors of short dance pieces and ask them to send us the concept for the piece that they want to do, and on the concept that's what we will get, we will then make final decision among these 3 who will get this. I hope you can understand. It's really hard, you know. I think you should all be once in the jury. And I hope you will. So, and these three nominees are
Bartlomiej Mieszczak and Nicole Wesolowska.
the next nominee is
Daniele Lamensdorf.
so it's written like they already got a production. But it is kind of, yeah? It's a chance.
To get the production award.
It's good that I always prepare three because very often I'm a bit nervous writing these names down and I can make a mistake. That's why I make two extra. And that this was good in this case.
Okay. Next one, I mean the last one, is Anna Zwilfach. And these are the nominees, and next year you'll see who gets the Oscar. Who got it, yeah. Thank you. I just want to say that now it's time that we can do whatever fuck we want.
Okay, now before we do whatever we want, I would just like to thank everybody. I would like to thank my colleague Tomasz from Celje and his colleague Sebastian. They always take care that we really feel good here and and you can eat there and so, and order something at the bar. Then, of course, I want to thank all the jury, generation jury, production and all dancers. Dan also. And all dancers, all your teachers who really support you and whoever thinks deserves this. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's dance.